Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we picked a paint color that we really like, I'm not sure if they are painting today, but if they are, I want to go to Home Depot, get a gallon of primer and the paint color that we choose. So if they start working, we are ready for them. Let's wait for them to get here. Good morning. So they didn't end up painting yesterday, so I had time last night to go to Home Depot to pick up these things. Went with a pretty inexpensive primer. The color I ended up going with is this Behr 3050 semi-gloss for the bathroom. The name is Heavy Cream. We'll see if they get to it today. Gerson wanted tacos today. He is finishing up the little shampoo shelf area and gonna work on the window next. As he's finishing up the window, I just want to mention Habitat for Humanity again. Love shopping there. The gray floor, this, I paid $10 a box and 6 boxes was plenty. And we have leftover to use for the shower shelf and the window. The shower towel is this one up here, 6 boxes for $7 each. Super good deal. We'll see what he does next. Good morning. A little easier day yesterday because they had to get ready to paint. We're talking less social media stuff because I'm actually figuring out how to use the TikTok and the Facebook. I think we're also doing grout. Can't wait for them to get here. Gerson wanted Hainan chicken and rice today. It looks like the primer is all done. He's gonna wait for it to dry and then we'll get some color in there. Evan's here. They're taking a break, waiting for the first coat to dry. And then we're gonna go second coat. Really liking the color. Second coat's all done. The Vanity's going in next. Installing it around 34 inches high, I think. Vanity in, they just put the sink on top. Gonna film a little content and also working on the trim. Everyone just left, but it looks so good. Loving the Vanity. Still need to do mirrors, shower doors, toilet. This was from a local place down in Anaheim. I'll try to include it in the descriptions. I think it was about $1,000, nothing even fancy, but really happy with how it turned out. Video 306 done.